Hey guys, what's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to Pally's Little Kitchen down here, man. Who can identify this type of meat here that I have in the water? Yeah, man, if you say chicken back, you are right. This is chicken back. Yes, guys, at this me go curry in the Saturday morning. Yeah, some curry chicken back, and we're gonna eat some ground provision with it. Yes, so I don't clean it up or anything. I just leave it in the water to, thaw out and thing. So I'm going to deal with it here now. I remember growing up, my mother used to cook this meat here, chicken back, and it bony. Bony, but nowadays chicken back, fat man. Look at this, guys. Look at that. It's a whole heap of flesh, man. A lot of people say that chicken back is bony. Yeah, growing up, yeah, man, I would say it bony too, but not now, not nowadays. Nowadays, chicken back fleshy. So here I'm going to deal with it and show you how to clean it up before you cook it. So stay along. Alright now guys, so let me show you how to clean up this nice lovely chicken back that I'm about to curry. First thing first, you want to remove all of this right in here. Yeah, we're gonna throw away that. So you need to clean out all of. Alright, my next move now, look at that, clean. Let me show you the difference. Let me show you the difference. Look at that, that is clean. Alright, look at this one now. Look at that. Alright, so my next step now, I would remove the fat. And then I will remove this little part here that you call the chicken bottom. That's what we call it, right? This little part here. Growing up, my mother used to say, like when we talk too much, or if my brother talking too much, she would say, go sit down, man, you eat too much chicken body. So this is what she's talking about. Alright, my husband loved this part of the, he don't like when I cut this part off, but this part contains the oil. It is very oily. So I normally cut it and I throw it away. So my husband is going to tell you about this favorite meat here of many Jamaican.
Yes guys, this is where it starts. The famous Jamaican chicken back. A lot of people try to deny the fact that this was a steak in the household. But my God, when you get a good proper curry chicken back, you can't refuse it. And you eat it morning, noon and night. And you'll never deny the fact that, yeah, it's so tasty. But this is the original Jamaican steak. For most people, yeah man, like this.
Would you say it is authentic though? Would you classify it as an authentic Jamaican dish?
Yes, because several persons would not eat the bony part of the chicken. They would tend to go for the breast and the leg. But the chicken back is the part that most Jamaican parents who can afford the steak and the rest of expensive meat, they will go for the chicken back. And not only that they go for the chicken back, but it was affordable and it was so delicious. We all enjoy it.
Yes, we do. So, if you never eat this, you not grow up Jamaica, or you are not, what would we say? Not Jamaican. So yes, guys, we are in the kitchen cooking some curry chicken back in the Saturday morning. Yeah. All right. So stay tuned. You'll see the finishing of this. All right, now, guys. So after we have finished clean up our chicken back, you should use some lime and wash it, or vinegar, or you can go ahead and use both. So I normally cut these flap parts off. Throw that away. Then I will cut the part that contains the oil, throw that away. Then I'll just cut it into just like that, and then I'll just go ahead and I'll chop. So you can chop it small or you to your preference. So So that in back, guys, all clean and nice, and I am about to season it now. Alrighty, so these are the seasoning that I'm using on it. If I add anything else, I'll show you. Alright guys, so I have a piece of ginger here. I can't cook my curry without ginger. I'm using a large onion. Set that aside. Our scotch bonnet pepper, you can't leave out this, guys. This affy in your curry chicken back. Yeah man. One of the main ingredients. You hear I stress the word main, you hear I jaw that word. Alright, let me cut him up here now. And guess what? I'm using seed and everything. But if you don't like spicy food, go ahead and remove the seed. Because our Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper, it no normal. It hot, guys. I mean hot, it hot. Hot. I have some scallion here. Just gonna pound it. Some garlic as well. Alright, let's go over to our chicken back and spice it up. So the curry that I am using is Better Pack curry, and it is made out here, right here in our little island Jamaica. Alrighty, in with some salt. Then I'm gonna use a little black pepper as well. You guys refer to this as ground pepper. Then in with my meat seasoning. Then our earth seasoning that I have just cut up, our onion, scallion, garlic, cloves, and our ginger. Alrighty, in with a few pimento berries, and I'm gonna give that a good rub-a-dub-dub as usual. I'm gonna give it a good mix. Alrighty. I'm gonna set this aside for half an hour or less. And if you know you're going to cook this dish, guys, you can go ahead and prepare and season your meat from overnight. Best marinated meat. Alright. So that's my bimbo, and that is what I'm going to do my curry chicken back in. Yeah, if you have been watching my channel, that's my bimbo, my big Dutch pot. Alrighty. So I'm gonna leave this to get really hot because I'm not gonna use any oil, because the thing is with chicken back, you know, guys, it have a lot of oil. So I'm not gonna put any oil in the pot. You'll see how me deal with it, alright? So what we're going to do now, guys, we're going to shake off our chicken back. Shake off the seasoning, our onion, scallion and pimento and all that. We're not going to put that in the pot. We're only going to toss our chicken back in the pot. So you know, you just use something, a spoon, a fork, to shake off your earth seasoning. Put that aside. Alright now, guys, so our pot is really hot, and I'm not using any oil, so I'm gonna just dash in my chicken back in my pot right about now. And remember, we have shake the season off to the side of the basin. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to cover my pot and let it generate its own water and oil. So look at that, really hot. I'm using no oil. This is going to generate its own oil and water. So let's cover, and we'll check back with it within a few minutes. After a few minutes, guys, we're checking in with our chicken back, and look at that, no oil or water was added. Look at that. Let me show you guys something. I want to show you in the pot bottom. Really, look there. Look at that. See what I'm talking about? That's why I don't add no oil to my pot whenever time I'm doing chicken back. You guys see that, right? Look at that. That's a lot of oil. So we are just going to cover this and allow to continue to cook. Alright guys, so we're making another check. Now it's time to add our seasoning. That we have saved. This is our seasoning. So we're adding it to the pot now. Alright, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to dash a little water in this, because we don't want all of this goodness to waste, you know. All of this seasoning that is in our basin. You know, you swave that round a little with water. I'm not trying to get out that season. And then you're going to add that to our pot. So this is our first water we are putting on our first chicken back. That's how I cook my curry chicken back. So this is it, looking lovely as ever. Alrighty, so we're just going to cover this I'm going to peel my Irish now and dash it in the pot same time. Adding my Irish to the pot. Alright now guys, so this is it. I think I need some more gravy. I need a lot more gravy. These people in the house love a lot of gravy. Anyway guys, if you need your gravy to be a little thick, you know, you mix a little cornstarch, a teaspoon of cornstarch. That's what I did, and I'm gonna add it to my pot. And you want to stir that as soon as you add it so that you don't get any lumps. Guys, don't be afraid to taste your pot and make your adjustment. Alrighty. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my carrots. So we're just going to leave this to simmer. And you know I have to have a bad boy scotch bonnet pepper on top. Alrighty. So this is our next signature of Jamaican. You know, we love to cook and throw a whole of pepper in the pot when the pot is almost finished. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is our curry chicken back. So you don't know, your girl have to dive in some of it and tell you how it tastes. But you know, in my mouth full of food, all you ever hear is just So let's start with our chicken back. Look at this guys. This is so flavorful. I can't wait to taste the yam. Look at the yam, man. Nice yellow yam. Dry. Oh my, I love a good yam. Dry and nice. Flavorful guys, delicious, bad. You know, we can leave it with some nice banana. And guess what guys, This is spicy. Mm. Mm-mm.